Imagine waking up to find that your AI-created designs have been selling while you slept, generating significant income with minimal effort. This dream is achievable using advanced AI tools designed to create stunning designs and automate the selling process. Here's how you can leverage AI to create and sell designs, keeping your audience engaged and your profits soaring. Start with AI design tools like Canva, Artbreeder, and DeepArt. These platforms offer robust capabilities to generate unique designs effortlessly. Canva's AI-powered design tools help create everything from social media graphics to professional presentations. Artbreeder allows you to blend images and create entirely new artworks using machine learning, perfect for creating eye-catching visuals. DeepArt uses neural networks to transform photos into art, mimicking the styles of famous artists. Once you've chosen your tools, begin creating your designs. On Canva, use templates and customization options to craft unique designs. Artbreeder enables you to experiment with different image combinations to produce original pieces. With DeepArt, upload your photos and apply various artistic filters to transform them into masterpieces. Next, set up an online store to sell your designs. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Society6 are perfect for selling digital art and printed merchandise. On Etsy, create a shop and list your digital designs as downloadable products. Redbubble and Society6 allow you to upload your designs and sell them on a range of products, including t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. To maximize your reach, utilize SEO strategies. Ensure your product listings are optimized with relevant keywords and high-quality images. Use descriptive titles and tags to make your designs easily discoverable. Write engaging product descriptions that highlight the uniqueness of your designs and their potential uses. Promote your designs on social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Share your design process, behind-the-scenes content, and finished products to attract potential buyers. Use AI tools like Buffer and Hootsuite to schedule posts and manage your social media accounts efficiently. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Additionally, leverage AI-powered marketing tools to boost your sales. Adroll and Google Ads use AI to optimize your advertising campaigns, targeting the right audience with precision. These platforms analyze user behavior and preferences, ensuring your ads reach those most likely to purchase your designs. Monitor the performance of your campaigns and adjust your strategies accordingly to maximize ROI. Consider offering customization options for your designs. Use AI tools like Zazzle and Printful that allow customers to personalize products with their names or preferred colors. Customization adds a unique value proposition, attracting more buyers and increasing your sales. Monitor your sales and customer feedback to continuously improve your offerings. Platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce provide analytics tools that give insights into your sales, performance, and customer behavior. Use this data to refine your designs and marketing strategies, ensuring you meet market demands and stay ahead of the competition. Collaborate with influencers and other artists to expand your reach. AI tools like Influencity and Upfluence help identify influencers whose audience matches your target market. Partner with them to promote your designs, leveraging their following to drive traffic to your store. Stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in AI design tools. Join online communities and forums like Behance and Dribbble to network with other designers and share your work. Participate in design challenges and contests to showcase your skills and gain exposure. In conclusion, making money by selling AI-created designs is a lucrative opportunity that combines creativity with advanced technology. By utilizing AI design tools, setting up an optimized online store, promoting your products effectively, and continuously refining your strategies, you can achieve significant financial success. Embrace the power of AI and watch your designs turn into a steady stream of passive income while you sleep. If you haven't subscribed our channel, then please do subscribe to motivate us, and remember to press the bell icon. Hit share and like to give us reward bringing new ways of earning.